The information provided for the user in the registration screen is used to register and enroll the user with the certificate authority and issue the user identity crypto materials. These are stored in the applicational wallet and used to sign all the blockchain transactions we're going to execute in this scenario. In this screen, we see the VS Code environment running the local Fabric network, which is the backend of our solution. We can see a Fabric wallet that stores all the different demo user identities. For each identity, we can see the registered attributes such as company VAT and user roles. The current wallet implementation is a file system-based wallet in which we can see the stored users' crypto materials. We'll continue to register the companies participating in the scenario. Here we log in the newly registered Scaling Admin user. Since this user has a company admin role, he can register his company on his own. In other cases, the system administrator can provide this service. The registering user will provide the required information such as company VAT and name, and also the type of stakeholder this company represents, whether it's a shipper, freight forwarder, scale operator, and so on. Once all the information is completed and the request is submitted, the Conpeso application submits a Create Company transaction signed with the requesting user's credentials. This invocation goes through the blockchain client to the chain code, through which the information is stored on the ledger. Here we can see the blockchain ledger. It's the UI for the CouchDB instance on one of the peers. We can see the namespace of our chain code with the company we just registered as well as the pre-registered companies. Now we proceed to register the vehicles. We provide the vehicle information, including the vehicle plate, the registering company's VAT, the carrier VAT, the vehicle type, the fuel capacity, and the weight. Once the screen is refreshed, we can see the newly created vehicle in the list. If we open the log file of the Docker chain code container, we can see the Create Vehicle request that was submitted from Conpeso to the blockchain. We can see the logs for all the operations done during vehicle create on the chain code side. After registering additional vehicles, we would like to execute a blockchain query that will fetch the information of a specific vehicle identified by its plate number. We can see the vehicle information represented in the form of a JSON data identity. And we can see additional attributes that were added by the chain code to the original entity during creation, such as the creation date and signed by attributes signifying the transaction invoker company. In the CouchDB instance, we can see the 4 registered vehicles. And drilling down to each vehicle entity, we can see the different signing users. Some vehicles were created by Transport Co., while others were created by Scaling Co. This is the immutable, verifiable proof of the provenance of each data entity on the ledger.